This is Andre Banks with Banks Credit Chat, coming to you with a fantastic article I found from the McDowell News, 8 reasons to consider a business credit card instead of a personal card. The title caught my attention, so I'm going to dive right in and put a link inside the description. It's kind of a lengthy article, but it gives a chock full of good information, so I just want to at least share that with you. As always, I'm going to put a link inside the description for these articles. Whether you have your own small business or simply want to keep up with your work purchases separate from personal ones, you might want to consider opening a business credit card. Many business credit card offers the same, if not better rewards compared with personal good counterparts, so you can rack up extra points, miles, or cash back on the types of purchase you need to make anyway. These business products also typically include additional benefits, especially geared to professionals' needs, not to mention the added financial flexibility that carrying a business credit card can confer. Here are 8 reasons to consider a business credit card instead of a personal one. 1, you may qualify even if you don't own a traditional business. It's interesting. You might be wondering whether you're even eligible for a business credit card, even if you don't have a business, or at least a traditional sense. For many people, the answer is yes. It's true, these products are targeted towards small business owners and those who work at larger corporations. However, you may still qualify if you're self-employed, do business under your own name as a sole proprietor, or even just have a side hustle that earns you extra money. It's interesting to know. That's not easy to say that your dog walking business is going to qualify for a top shelf card like the Business Platinum Card of American Express right off the bat. But if you can demonstrate the business for which you want to open a card generates income, and that you'll likely use your card purchases and pay it off responsibly, banks are willing to give your application a second look. After all, by the Small Business Administration last estimate, which is likely to have changed somewhat due to the pandemic, but still paints a clear picture. There were 31.7 million small business units as of April 2020, accounting for 99% of enterprises in the country. So is insurers taking applications from sole proprietors and self-employed individuals seriously, and you can use your personal Social Security number to apply for a personal credit card anyway. For that reason, it might also be helpful to file an application for a card from a bank that you already do business with so that you have a full perspective of your finances and credit history. 2, more valuable welcome bonuses. Many business credit cards offer even more lucrative introductory bonus terms than their personal counterparts. That makes them great as both as alternatives to personal cards, but also treating second choices if you already have a card with your Moyne loyalty program and are looking for a second one to rack up even more points or miles. Here they go into a couple ones you might take a look at and dive right into the next point. 3, more lucrative earning rates. One of the major business credit cards below personal ones out of the water is by fielding better earning rates in more business bonus categories. With some cards, these categories are specifically proven. One of the most popular personal credit cards, Chase Sapphire, and I give examples again. Think business credit at your leisure. I'm just trying to get them in any of the categories, but not so much on Dime. Your earning could be much higher with the Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card with the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. You get gas station, restaurants. The card accrues 3 points per dollar on everything used. Again, they're promoting these particular cards. Better business-related perks. Number 4. As these cards are actually meant for small businesses, many of them extend work-related perks. Some allow you to add employee cards for free and thus earn rewards even faster from your employees' spending. Others come with enhanced purchase protection with larger dollar maximums or cell phone coverage. It's interesting, specifically that personal versions might not. The Business Platinum Card from American Express is a good example of a variety of business cards. Again, higher credit limits. That's very good. This will, of course, depend on your specific financial outlook and your credit report, but banks tend to approve higher credit limits on business cards than personal ones. That's because they know business might require more budgetary leeway with their purchases. Even a small business that spends relatively little on an ongoing basis might have a month or perhaps around the holidays where it needs to spend a lot more than usual on purchase or rental of needs, like increased shipping costs. Having a few extra thousand or tens of thousands of dollars to work with can just the kind of lifeline these businesses need. Number 6, raise your personal credit score by separating your expenses. That's interesting. One of the best reasons to get a business credit card is to start separating your business expenses from your personal ones. Doing so will make your tax time a lot easier, but also usually means that your work financially from your personal activity. This can even raise your personal credit score over time by using your personal card, less your credit utilization ratio. One of the most significant factors in terms of your credit score will go down. In turn, that can lift your personal score because it looks like you're using less of your available credit. Don't be irresponsible though. Remember how you usually have to include your Social Security number in business credit card applications. That means your personal credit card remains tied to your business account, and you will ultimately be responsible for any spending you do on these cards if your business defaults. Interesting. Establish your business credit history. Just opening business credit cards is one of the first steps of building your business. It will help you establish a credit history for that business. Having a good business credit rating can help you secure financing and negotiate payment terms with vendors in the future. Further down the line, we might need to take out a loan or mortgage for the business. Banks will look specifically at your business credit report and history, and a positive overview can help you secure better interest rates. Number 8 is more opportunities for personal cards. It's another great thing. Most issuers limit the number of credit cards that can either apply for or have opening during a specific period of time. The best known of these restrictions is Chase 524 rule. If you apply for 5 or more cards for any and all banks within a 24-month period, Chase is likely to reject your next application. However, business credit cards do not tend to be counted toward many of the limits, so opening them should not preclude your eligibility for future personal credit card applications. That said, certain families of cards, such as the Marriott Bonvoy Productions, American Express, and Chase, do not have complicated eligibility rules and exclusions. Bottom line, there are plenty of excellent reasons to open a small business credit card. Doing so will help you keep your work and personal expenses separate, enable you to build a credit history for your business. But business credit cards also present excellent reward opportunities with high introductory offers, numerous bonus spending categories, and other perks that can save you time and money. Excellent article. Definitely worth your time. I kind of juggled in there. They have a number of different cards you may want to take a look at. I'm going to put a link inside the description. This video has been of any value to you. Please subscribe, leave some comments, hit that like button. Until my next video for Banks Credit Chat, I'm out.